Hello everyone, welcome to Windows OS Hub. If Active Directory no longer trusts a computer, domain users cannot authenticate to that machine and will see a trust relationship failed error during sign-in. Let's explore how to restore the trust relationship using PowerShell in a way that doesn't require a reboot or domain rejoin. Here is a problem look like. A domain user tries to log into a computer and gets an error. The trust relationship between this workstation and the primary domain failed. To restore a secure channel with a domain, you should log on to this computer with an account that has local administrator privileges. If you know the local administrator password, enter / followed by a /, then the local username at the logon screen. This indicates that you want to use the local security account manager database to log on to Windows with a local account instead of a domain. If you do not know the local user's password, you can sign into the computer using a domain user account. However, to do this, you must first disconnect the computer from the network. Either unplug the Ethernet cable or disconnect from Wi-Fi. If the network is disconnected, you can log on to Windows using the cached credentials of a domain user who has previously signed into the computer. The classic approach to restoring the trust relationship with the domain is to use the System Properties applet to leave the domain, join a temporary workgroup, reset the computer account in the Active Directory, and rejoin the domain. However, this method requires at least 2 reboots. There is an easier way to restore a secure channel with a domain that doesn't require rebooting the machine or rejoining the domain. Connect the previously disconnected LAN cable to the device. Open a PowerShell console using the credentials of a local administrator or privileged domain user. Run the PowerShell command Test-ComputerSecureChannel. This command returns false if the trust relationship between the computer and the domain is broken. To restore the secure channel, add the repair parameter and supply credentials for a domain account with permissions to join computers to the domain. The command returned that the secure channel with the domain has been successfully repaired. Log off the current session. Check whether a domain user can log into Windows. Well done, we have restored the connection to the domain. That's all. Like the video and subscribe for more sysadmin tips from Windows OS Hub. See you later.